Let me show you the easiest way to set up this machine, the Pfaff Quilt Expression 720, for a basting stitch. So first off, start with your straight stitch and go ahead and take it as long as it will go. That's 6 millimeters long. Now, if you just sew, you're going to get a nice, tight straight stitch, as you should. But if you actually adjust your tension to be a lot less, I'm going to take my tension dial and bring it, how about just to 2? Let's see how that will work. Go ahead and stitch your line of stitching. And the reason we adjust the tension is for this, because you're going to be able to see that the dots are going to get pulled to one side. And this thread, now it did lock right here when I started, so I'm going to just kind of snip that thread. But that means that if the tension is really loose, you can take the back bobbin thread and just pull it straight out. See how it's just releasing from those dots? If you have the tension set normal, it won't come out as quickly as that. Like magic.